Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Am I embarrassed? I hate to admit this, but I just this morning, found a website that's got some great information about radios. It's specifically geared to listening to the medium wave band. As a matter of fact, the way I found out about it is I belong to a users group called Ultra Radio DX, I believe it's called. Is that what it's called? Oh boy, my memory's. Oh, excuse me, Ultra Light DX. And I got an email this morning, just half an hour ago, and it pointed to this website as a great source of information. Not this website. Let me show you. This website, Radio-Time Traveler. I had never heard of it, and it's loaded with great information. Now, like I say, it's geared mainly to medium wave DXing, but it has a ton of articles that are applicable to any radio or any band or anything else. For instance, here is the link that was posted for this particular article, and it was a review of the Panasonic RF-562DD receiver, which is a radio I've been thinking about getting, and I think Jeff brought me one to review. And look at the depth that this review goes into. This is one person. And so, of course, I'm going to read this in detail to help me do my review. But look at it. It goes on and on and on. I mean, this is fantastic. Schematics, unbelievable. This is just one of hundreds, maybe thousands of articles on this webpage. Let me get back up here to the top. So here's, over here on the side, is a couple of things here. Latest U.S. medium wave, of course. Like I say, this website is geared toward medium wave. And latest software in general. And then here it talks about what this website's about. And it's a blog about radios and radio DXing, antennas, opinions, reviews. And it comes down here, and I think it's, where did it say? Well, oh, here it is right here. It's WE7W. So you can look, matter of fact, we'll look him up right now. I mean, this is fantastic. I want to give him a shout out. We'll do a search, and then we'll pick one of these. Let's just pick one. Yep, can't get to that site. Okay. Anyway, here it is right here. His name is William Scott. And he's the one that has been doing this for years. Let me close this. And I'll close this. And you could see, here's his archive. It goes all the way back to 2008. And you could see the number indicates the number of reviews, posts he did for that given year. So like for 2019, he did 13, of which this is just one, and they're extensive. Lots of details. And then here's some summaries of some of what he thinks are the most popular, whatever, reviews on, like here's a review of the Kato KA321. And he also has, I probably can't find, oh, right here, DSP radio chip notes. Now, DSP, which is digital signal processing design, has or normally has the problem with muting while tuning, which is what I hate. And here he has an article, extensive article, about the chips, how they're used, what radios are in, what happens in each, like he goes through, like here's using a chip in the Sagan ATS 909X, which is a radio I love, although it's not very sensitive on shortwave. You have to use an external antenna. And he talks about the engineers that did this used it in a good way instead of a bad way. So I'm really wanted to let you know as soon as possible about this website. Again, I will put the link to this website in the description below this video. It's basically radio-timetraveler.blogspot.com is the link, but I'll put it down there because you probably don't understand what I'm saying because I'm so excited. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this show, have a great day and give me a thumbs up and go there. Go leave them and tell him that I sent you. You can just go down to the bottom here on any article and make a comment. See, here's some comments. You can make a comment. Matter of fact, here's my comment, and it spelled my name wrong. I spelled my name wrong. Holy jeez. What a dummy. I wonder if I can edit that post. Oh, what a dummy. I got so excited and I typed this in and I just now realized I spelled my name wrong. Oh my gosh. Have a great day. Bye-bye.